Here at West London we've got Soren shooting on the British Open sporting course. So as he comes up to his first pair, he's loading his gun, getting ready, safety catch goes forward, gun comes up to the post position. He's looking very, very determined. He's going to call pull any second and the targets will be released. Here they come, pull. He shoots and he kills it. Here comes the incomer. He's coming up for the incomer now. He kills the incomer too. Brings the gun down. He's going to eject it over his shoulder. Spent cartridges, ready for another reload. Soren the winner. Looking good. He's going for another pair of targets. 2 out of 2.
Yep.
Championship course. Many of the British Open winners have shot here at West London before.
Towards me, yeah?
It's gone on to that. What does that mean?
Oh, that's okay, it's still going.
Well, it's still recording, but I can't see the picture.
You can tap on the screen. Start screen here.
Ah. Okay. Here we go.
Are we on, is it safety?
Push it forward.
Yeah, forward, yeah.
Good. He's getting ready now, Soren, to make the shot. Shooting a course. Many British Open champions have shot this course. Here we go. He's missed the rabbit. He's got to go for the incomer now. This he needs for the gold medal. Boom! He's got the incomer. Gold medal to Soren. Coming down.